Hi, my name is Jake Van Wormer, Group Product Manager here at Milwaukee Tool. What I wanted to walk through today is Milwaukee's vision of redefining the way you use power on a job site. Whether you're using a gas generator in pre-power or using spider boxes in the temporary power phase of construction, both of these solutions come with their own headaches and hassles that impacts the amount of work you can get done. Thinking about gas generators and the safety considerations with storing gas on site, being proactive about the noise and emissions they produce often leads to the generator being placed far away from your work area, resulting in lost productivity when you have to walk back to the generator for breaker trips, grabbing packs, or even refueling. The other thing to consider are the pain points with spider boxes in the temporary power phase of construction. Outlet overcrowding, breakers tripping, voltage drop from long runs of extension cords. All of these translate into lost productivity. We knew there had to be a better way to provide power on the job site, which led us to the development of our new roll-on power supply. Roll-on offers the best power for the toughest job. It offers instant setup and eliminates the hassles. But it also provides power anywhere, being able to use it outside in the elements as well as inside as well. We've taken our foundational knowledge as the leader in battery technology to design roll-on from the ground up with every component being purpose-built. Roll-on is designed with a high-power inverter to provide 7,200 watts of starting power and 3,600 watts of continuous power to run two high-demanding tools at once while charging batteries and USB devices. Roll-on is equipped with an internal red lithium 2.5 kilowatt-hour core designed to provide the runtime needed for heavy-duty intermittent applications throughout the day. RedLink Intelligence also provides optimized performance, protection, and maximizes the battery life. Roll-on charges in under 3.5 hours and provides you 25% charge in less than an hour. Roll-on also provides pass-through power, allowing you to charge and discharge at the same time. Next, we're going to demonstrate the power difference Roll-on can provide compared to a common gas generator setup. We have 200 feet of extension cord from outside the building running here to this demo. It's important to note we don't recommend this setup based on the length of extension cord, but it's often likely to occur based on the setup of each user's truck and the job site conditions you're working in. So the competitive unit that we have outside is similar in continuous wattage, but continuous wattage doesn't tell the whole story of performance. So next, we're going to be cutting 4x4 inch tubular steel with an abrasive chop saw. Along with that, the large angle grinder is also going to be grinding that same 4x4 steel as well. There's a competitive gas unit outside with 200 feet of extension cord leading into the building to simulate what you're experiencing out in the field today. So as you saw there, that generator is having trouble keeping up with the application with just the two tools plugged in because it does not have enough starting watts to keep up. In addition, the voltage drop from the extension cords is also playing into a factor here. So what we're going to do next is we're going to swap over to the roll-on power supply and show the difference of power and why starting wattage is so important. So as you notice with roll-on, it's able to cut through the metal much faster, whereas the generator was just spinning on the metal and it wasn't actually cutting any of the material. In addition to the two tools running at the same time, there's also a charger plugged in, so you're having more power drawn from roll-on and it's completing the application much faster. Roll-on includes two 20 amp duplex outlets and has pure sine wave technology for sensitive electronics. In addition to the duplex outlets, Roll-on also has two USB outlets for charging personal electronics, a high-resolution HMI screen showing information about the status of the unit, and two charging mounts to charge batteries. To summarize, Roll-on has the best power for the toughest job, instant setup and eliminating all those hassles, and also provides you power anywhere.